operations and unusual diagnosis. Confirmation of inspection regulations. Warm running. To check every item according to the daily maintenance. If any defect, please maintain it or call your local authorized agent. Start. Running. 1. Try to jog 5 axes to check if any noise, sound, or vibration. 2. Proceed edge finding. 3. Press wire feeding switch to check edge find voltage, 7 volt or not. 4. Press flushing button to see if any leakage. 5. Is the wire driving stable or waste wire excesses? 6. Press machining power button to see any flash, strange sound or smell. 7. Allow step in the next one. Press start button. Running.